Hi, in this video we are talking about trigger links in HighLevel. I will show you how they work, how you can create them, and why they are so incredibly powerful. Let's dive right in. We are back in our sub account, and first I will show you where you can create trigger links. You can do it here under Conversations and then go to Trigger Links, Links in the top right. This view is the same as when you go to Marketing on the left and click on Trigger Links, Links here. In the top right, click on Add Links, and then you just have to enter the name, in this example text link video, and then URL to which the link should redirect. I'm using my website martindelving.de. It can be a website, a booking page, a video, and much more. We save this now, and then we have the link directly here in the overview. A cool feature of these trigger links is that you can track them and thus see exactly when and how often this link was clicked. You can simply click on Analyze on both pages I showed you instead of clicking on Links. Here you can see, for example, that my trigger link named Confirm was clicked once. We see it happened on September 26th. Now that we have our new trigger link, we go, for example, to Conversations, search for a customer we want to write to, and if we want to send him an SMS or a mail here below, hello, please click on this link, then we click on this plus sign below and can select trigger links at the very bottom. Here we have trigger link test, the link we just created. This is what it looks like when we have insert the link, and it is also directly active and usable. When the customer clicks on this link, we can now track it under Analyze. Another option I want to show you can be found here under Marketing. Click on Emails, Templates. If you now take a new or existing template here and want to insert text and image under the heading, for example, you write something here and insert an image here. You now want to set up the button in such a way that we can track who clicked on the button and when. Very important, click on it once, then the setting options open to the left. There you can find the link URL. Where should the customer be taken after the click? I can now simply enter martindelving.de here, or I click on this little symbol and select trigger links at the bottom. Then I take our test link video here. Now you can see the trigger link stored here, and it is now automatically the case that the customer clicks on the button, is redirected to martindelving.de, and we can also track that he clicked on it. And if you now want to use the full power of trigger links, we go back and then to automations. We create a new automation here, and now let's assume that we are focusing on the real estate agent area and have created automations that tag every newsletter subscriber with a tag that says subscribe to the newsletter. Then you can see exactly who has subscribed to your newsletter and who is receiving mails from you based on this tag. Then you could now say here as a trigger, everyone who has this tag gets an email next in which you insert the trigger link. In this example, we want our customers to look at our new website. Please visit my new site. We have new offers for you. Either you use an email template you have created here, or you send him the mails as we are setting it up right now. So we can now simply click on trigger links and choose our test link video again. Now we want to know whether this link was clicked. We could now go to Save Action, and then we want to enter wait as the first action. As always, you can also rename it here. Instead of time delay, we now select trigger link clicked. Here you can check exactly whether the customer clicked on the link. It is again about our text link video, and finally we could set a timeout, which we do not want in this example. Save action. Now it is checked whether this trigger link was clicked. We go back once and open a new automation again. Here the trigger is now trigger link clicked. Here you can change the name again, but we want trigger link clicked. Runs when your trigger link is clicked. Under add filters, we still set that our trigger link is test link video. Save trigger. And for everyone who now clicks on this trigger, this new automation starts running. You now know that these are exclusively customers who have definitely seen the new site and our new offers, and therefore you can now set that you remind your customers who have not contacted you after 2 days, for example. Your offers are waiting, and so on. You realize that you can create an incredible amount through this. In any case, this is the reason why trigger links are so powerful, and I hope through this video you have now a few ideas how you can use them. I wish you much success in the implementation.